Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top 7 benefits of apricot. Apricots are small, golden orange fruits with a soft, velvety skin and a naturally sweet, slightly tangy flavor. Although often enjoyed for their taste, apricots also pack a powerful nutritional punch that makes them a standout in the world of healthy foods. Native to Central Asia and widely cultivated around the world, apricots have long been valued for their medicinal and culinary properties. Whether eaten fresh, dried, or as part of a dish, these fruits are full of health-promoting compounds that can benefit the body in multiple ways. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 benefits of apricots, each explained clearly and concisely in a single line. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Apricots contain a variety of powerful antioxidants including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and polyphenolic compounds like flavonoids, which help fight oxidative stress, protect cells from damage, and lower the risk of chronic illnesses such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Antioxidants are substances that neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Oxidative damage from these radicals contributes to the aging process and the development of many diseases. Apricots' vibrant orange color is a visual cue for their rich beta-carotene content, and they also supply vitamin E, another important antioxidant. Eating apricots regularly supports your body's natural defense system and slows down cellular aging. Number 2. Supports eye health. Apricots are high in vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which contribute to healthy vision by protecting the retina from oxidative damage, improving night vision, and reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the integrity of the cornea, while lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and lens, where they help filter out harmful blue light. These nutrients act as a shield for the eyes, especially in older adults who are at greater risk of age-related visual decline. Eating apricots may help preserve your eyesight and keep your eyes functioning properly throughout your life. Number 3. Promotes healthy skin. The combination of vitamins A and C in apricots helps to improve skin tone, support collagen formation, reduce signs of aging, and protect against sun damage, acne, and inflammation. Vitamin C is critical for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that gives skin its structure and elasticity. Meanwhile, vitamin A supports skin regeneration and can help heal minor wounds or irritations. Apricots also contain water and natural oils that hydrate the skin from the inside out. Some skincare products even include apricot kernel oil due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. Incorporating apricots into your diet or skincare routine can lead to a clearer, brighter complexion. Number 4. Aids digestion. Apricots are a good source of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support the growth of healthy gut bacteria for improved digestion. Fiber plays a vital role in gastrointestinal health by adding bulk to stool and speeding its passage through the colon. Soluble fiber also feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, contributing to a healthy microbiome. A well-functioning digestive system leads to better nutrient absorption, less bloating, and improved immunity. Fresh apricots and especially dried apricots can be helpful for anyone struggling with irregular digestion or mild constipation. Number 5. Boosts heart health. With their combination of potassium, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, apricots help regulate blood pressure, reduce bad LDL cholesterol, increase good HDL cholesterol, and lower inflammation, all of which support a healthy cardiovascular system. Potassium is a mineral that acts as a vasodilator, relaxing the walls of blood vessels and reducing strain on the heart. The fiber in apricots binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and removes it from the body before it can enter the bloodstream. At the same time, antioxidant compounds in apricots help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a major contributor to plaque buildup in arteries. Regular consumption of apricots can help reduce your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 6. Strengthens bones. Apricots contain several minerals essential for bone development and maintenance, including calcium, phosphorus, iron, manganese, and magnesium, that work together to improve bone density, structure, and overall strength. These minerals are crucial for preventing osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions, particularly as we age. Calcium is well known for its role in bone formation, while magnesium and phosphorus contribute to the structural integrity of bones. Iron supports oxygen transport to bone tissue, and manganese plays a role in bone metabolism. Whether you are still growing or concerned about aging gracefully, apricots can contribute to stronger, healthier bones over the long term. Number 7. Enhances hydration and electrolyte balance. Apricots have a high water content and are rich in potassium, making them ideal for replenishing fluids and electrolytes after exercise, during hot weather, or in cases of mild dehydration. About 86% of a fresh apricot is water, which helps hydrate the body and keep all systems functioning efficiently. Potassium is a key electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. Especially in warm climates or during physical activity, maintaining electrolyte balance is essential to prevent cramps, fatigue, and even dizziness. Snacking on fresh or rehydrated dried apricots is a natural and healthy way to keep your body hydrated and energized. Apricots may be small in size, but their nutritional profile makes a big impact on health. From supporting the immune system and protecting the eyes to improving digestion and boosting heart function, apricots provide a wide range of benefits that make them a smart addition to any diet. They're low in calories but rich in flavor and nutrients, making them perfect for snacking or including in both sweet and savory recipes. Their versatility also means you can enjoy them fresh in season, dried year-round, or even as part of smoothies, sauces, and baked goods. In addition to the physical health benefits, apricots are also easy to digest and generally safe for most people to eat regularly, including children and older adults. Whether you're looking to support your skin, bones, or overall vitality, apricots are a delicious and healthful choice. Eating just a handful of apricots a few times a week can make a noticeable difference in how you feel and function. So the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, don't pass up this small but mighty fruit. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video.